This video demonstrates how to buy shares of WP Carey Inc. by searching for How to Buy Shares of WP Carey Inc. WP Carey is a real estate investment trust focused on commercial properties, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker WPC. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker WPC to find the listing. Select the result that matches WP Carey Inc. to be sure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart for context. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure it's the correct listing. Tap, trade, or buy. Enter the amount you wish to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may queue until it opens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. Check the description for the eToro link and further details.